The new CDK dealership experience gives dealers everything they need to sell and service vehicles and operate their business simply in a modern and digital world. Our platform offers suites integrated to inject more power and performance into every department of your dealership. Add the Fixed Operations Suite to provide a true end-to-end service solution. This connects dealerships with their customers at every touch point, with a focus on building trust through transparency. What would a dealership experience be without fixed operations? Customer transparency begins as soon as the customer schedules their service appointment online and continues through the entire workflow. While scheduling their appointment, the customer has transparent service pricing as well as insights into their vehicle's health through connected vehicle data. Information such as health alerts and complimentary services will display, allowing the customer to easily add them onto their appointment. This guides them directly to when they want to bring that car in and what kind of interaction they want to have with the dealership. Customers have the same ownership in the workflow they experienced on the front end. With most service appointments still getting scheduled by the customer calling into the dealership, scheduling a new appointment has never been easier for the BDC with our modern in-store scheduler. A new appointment dashboard is available, showing all appointments to the BDC agent with the flexibility to filter by advisor and status. There is also a new slide out, which quickly displays a checklist to prepare for any upcoming appointments, as well as the ability to modify or update the appointment if necessary. When scheduling a new appointment, the BDC agent has access to all information from a single screen, including the customer detail, vehicle history, OEM maintenance packages, and connected vehicle data, giving the ability to easily add any necessary services to the appointment. They also have a weekly view of all available appointment times to quickly offer a day and time that works best for the customer. And whether the customer schedules their appointment online or calls into the BDC, they will get an immediate text confirming their appointment with a link to modify if necessary. When the customer brings their vehicle in for service, your service advisors can greet them at the vehicle with a tablet. With Connected Vehicle, the mileage is automatically pulled and the advisor has the same vehicle data that both the customer and the BDC agent saw when scheduling the appointment. This consistency and transparency are vital for building trust with the customer. The integration of connected vehicle and service pricing allows the advisor to create the repair order, upsell service, and create a better experience all within a single workflow, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Once the repair order is created, the customer receives a welcome text with a link to the vehicle tracker so they can check the status of the repair at their convenience. Again, this helps build transparency throughout the entire workflow. The car is now checked in for service, and the technician can begin the inspection process. The vehicle inspection is performed and sent to the customer. Dealers that are texting service videos are seeing an increase in hours per repair order of 10 to 30%. The customer receives a text with the video from the technician and can view and share the video or text or call the dealership back. One of the top 5 reasons consumers choose a dealership for service over an independent or chain is because of their trained technicians and certified parts. Service videos are a perfect opportunity to highlight the value of your technicians. If additional work is needed, a text with a link to approve the service is sent to the customer. This text includes a place to review and sign for the approval of the recommended service. As the work is completed and the repair order is reviewed, the customer will get a final text to the vehicle tracker notifying them that their vehicle is ready for pickup. The customer has been kept informed throughout the entire process automatically and within a single communication platform, building trust through transparency. The Fixed Operations Suite drives additional revenue for the service and parts departments while creating an exceptional customer experience to help increase their service loyalty.